Babes, baka may nakaredy ka na dyan.
Ayan, nagkurkutok yung gadget ko, host. Ayan, may galap shout out sa lahat. Wala akong alam sa Christmas song, host. Ayaw kong kumanta ng Christmas song. Nalulungkot ako.
Sige lang.
Kinig na lang ako, host. Wait lang, ikaw muna. Wala akong alam, promise. Ayaw kong kumanta ng Christmas song.
Sige, ikaw na lang ang ikaw na lang ang ikaw na lang bahala dyan.
Ano nangyari, host? Bakit tahimik?
Nag-ano kasi ako, kumuha ko ng link ng ni Master JR.
Dapat magpa-music ka. Wait
Kala ko
lang,
kasi ikaw ang kakanta.
Nag-message ako sa babae. Sabi ko ikaw sa kasi nagkorkotok. Tapos, host, wala akong alam. Kaya nga ayaw kong mag-get. Wala akong alam na Christmas song. Ayaw kong kumanta ng Christmas song.
Sige, wala kang problema yan.
Sige, kakanta ko. Anong kakantahin ko? Yun lang. Wait lang ha. Wait lang guys. Sige, go. Sige, bilisan mo pagkuha ng link, host ha. Kasi
Maraming salamat, 6 billion people in the house.
Nabaliw na ako. Sabi ko nga, hindi mo na ako akyat. Sa baba lang ako mag-support kasi ayaw kong kumanta ng Christmas song. Wait lang, hanap ako ng kanta. Sige, go. Ito na lang. Ay, nako. Sige, go. Sana after the song host, ha? Okay na. Wait, nasa...
Lazada's 11/11 biggest sale of the year. Oily,
More
face care. Para less oil, more glow.
Go. Ito na lang. Para masaya. Sa pinakikita kung magkasama na kayo, naiinis ako't nasisira ang araw ko. At di ko alam bakit ba nagkakaganto. Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di naman tayo. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisigip ang dibdib ko sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi kayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsisilusan siya. Bakit ba siya at bakit di na lang ako? Sayaw sa jury, sayaw. kahit di naman tayo. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisikip ang dibdib ko sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi kayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsisilusan siya. Bakit ba siya at bakit di na lang ako? Ay, salamat. Tapos na. Ayan, back to you, host. Thank you. At nakaraos din. Ikaw na, host. Back to you, host.
May side B pa. Nandito pa ako sa bahay ni Bro Joey.
Ayan ka na naman. Ano
May
ba
side B
talaga
syempre.
tayo? Host, puro malulungkot yung kanta ko, host. Bahala ka. Sige, go.
Sige lang, wala problema yan.
Kakaumpisa mo ba lang, tapos kakanta ko ng malungkot. Sige, go. Kasi malungkot yung kanta ko eh. Ay, wait, inop ko pala ito. Wait lang. Ito. Ayan, thank you so much, Sir Joey Madera. Thank you. Ayan, init. Kanina pa ito. You touch my life with the softness in the night. My wish was your command until you run out of love. I tell myself I'm free, got the chance of living just for me. No need to hurry home now that you're gone. Life cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. Pretend very small. I wonder if the love is just a show. I'm on the stage. Day and night I go through my dreams. But how can I disguise what's in my eyes? Life cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. And all Ayan, back to you, Ate. Anong mahina, host? Ay, nalaglag na pala si host. Ako na lang, Mads. Akyat ka dito, Mads. Saan ka, host? Nawala si host. Iniwan ako ni host. Ayan, Mads. Akyat ka dito, Mads. Samahan mo kami dito, Mads. Ako nang di makakaakyat. Di makakaakyat. Bakit, Sir Milan? Ayos. Ayan, 4 million in the house. Thank you so much, guys. Wingis Entertainment, thank you, Mars. Iniwan ako ni host. May kutob talaga ako na maiwan-iwan ako sa taas. Sir, nawala na si host, Manoy. Ayan. Oo nga, Sir Joey. Alika, akit kayong lahat para masaya tayo dito. Ayan. Wait lang, Ate Bibs, katatapos ko lang ng kumain. Sige, Marge, akit ka, Marge. Mag-ano tayo dito? Ating anuhin si host. I-support natin si host. Sige. Ay, thank you, nakaakyat na si host. Ayan. Akala ko, sabi mahina yung music. Ayan. Hello, host. Hindi pa ata nalipong-lipong pa ata si host kasi galing kalaglag. Sige, kakanta mo na ako, Hisa, host, ha. Sana okay ka na pag after, sing this song. Ayan, pagpasensyahan niyo na lang yung boses ko, guys, ha, dyan sa baba. No choice kasi kayo. Wait lang, guys. Kakanta ako, pagtsagaan nyo na lang boses ko. No choice kasi kayo mahina ang signal ni host. Kaya, go si Ate Bibs. Wait lang, hanap mo na ako ng kanta. Wow! Nalaglag na naman si host. Ako lang talaga dito Ayan, iwan ako ninyo. Ayan. 2 million in the house, thank you. Ayan, kakanta na lang ako, ha. Pagtsagaan nyo na lang yung boses ko. Ayan, nalaglag si host. Wala pa naman akong nasib na kanta. Background. The crossroads once again. You're telling me you're so confused. You can't make up your mind. Is this meant to be? You're asking me, but only love can say. Try again or walk away, but I for you and me, the sun will shine one day, so I'll just play my part and pray you'll have a change of heart. But I can to see a through, that's something only love can do. As the dawn is breaking, face to face and 1,000 miles apart, I've tried my best to make you say there's hope beyond the pain. If we give enough, we will learn to trust, but only love can say. Try again or walk away, but I believe for you and me the the sun will shine one day, so I'll just play my part, and they will have a chance of heart. But I can make you see a through that's something only love I could find ways to touch you inside. You feel harder, just one more chance. Don't leave this be our last goodbye. But only love can say, try again or walk away. But I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I'll just play my part, and they'll have a chance of heart. But I can you stay afloat. That's something only love can do. That's something only love can do. Ayan, thank you so much sa 2 million in the house. Ayan, nalaglag na naman si Hus. Kawawa talaga si Hus. Lagi nalalaglag. Ayan, sige, go, kakanta na lang ako, host. Ayusin mo yan dyan, host, ha. Ayan, kakanta na lang ako kahit sintonado. Ayan, thank you so much everyone, ha, sa nag-stay dyan. Pagpasensyahan niyo na lang yung host natin kasi laging, hindi pa okay yung internet niya. Ayan, thank you. Kakanta na lang ako. Go. I get lost in your eyes, and I feel my spirit's rise and soar like the wind. Is it love that I am in? I could wait in a glance. Isn't this was called romance? And now I know, 'cause when I'm lost, I can't let go. I don't mind not knowing what I'm heading for. You can take me to the skies. It's like being lost in heaven. When I'm lost in your eyes, I just feel, don't know why, something's there we can't deny. And when I first know was when I first looked at you. And can't find my way. If salvation is worlds away, oh, I'll be found when I am lost in your arms. kaya? Asa na kaya yun si host? Wala pa rin si host. Ayan, thank you. At ako'y kakanta na lang nakakanta dito. Anong makikita mong kanta? Magpa-practice ako ng kanta dito, host. Ayan, 2 million in the house. Thank you so much. Pasensya na, nalaglag si host. Inaayos pa ni host yung internet niya. Sana'y itayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Oh, hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mga ngarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Oh, papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ayan. Akat ka na dito, Inel. Huwag ka nang ano dyan. Taas-taas na kapit. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ayan. Anong sabi ng ating host? Wait lang ha. Anong sabi ng ating host? Pasensya na, Ate Bibs. It's okay. It's okay, host. Hindi mo naman sila sadya yan eh. Ano lang, keep going. Maging okay din yan. Ayan, hintayin na lang kita dito sa taas. Ayan, at kakanta na lang ako. Bahala na kayo dyan. Kayo na lang mag-adjust sa boses ko, ha? Ayan, Master GR Helen Vlog. GR Helen Vlog. Thank you, ha? Thank you. Ayusin mo lang yan, host, tapos akyat ka ulit. Ayan. 3 million in the house. Thank you. Pasensya na. At hindi pa okay yung ni host. Yung internet. Siya'y nahuhulog, nalalaglag. At ako'y kakanta lang, pagpasensya nyo na lang ang para ma-rouse lang tong live ni host. Ayan. Sige, kakanta na lang ako kahit Ayan, nasa ads pa. this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Will you came and loving me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you for the times when we're apart. Well then close your eyes and know the words are coming from my heart. And if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for. In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Smiling, keep shining, knowing. Mantindi! Andito si Mantindi. Akyat ka, Mantindi! Ako na lang dito, Mantindi! But sons, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Ayan, sinong maawa sa amin dito ni host? Akyat kayo para kung malalaglag si host. May kasama ako dito sa taas. Ayan, buksan mo ko, Ate Bibs. Paano kita mabuksan, Mars? Saan ka ba nagtago? Kasi si host, hindi pa, inaayos pa ni host yung, yung internet. Ayan, 7 million in the house, thank you. Ayan, hintayin na lang natin si host, pagpasyensya nyo na lang. Ano bang next kakantahin ko? Kakanta na lang ako dito kasi wala akong na-save na pang BGM music. Kaya kakanta na lang ako. Wait, ano bang kakantahin ko? Wait lang ha. Hanap na ako ng kanta, guys. Hintayin natin si host. Maging okay din yan, host. Tiwala lang. Ayan, don't give up. Yan, kawawa si Mards. Nakulong ka dyan, Mards. Hintay ka na lang, Mards, kasi hindi naman ni host sinasadya yung Sige, kakanta na lang ako. It would be better if we stopped seeing each other. If you had only met me first when you were free. 'Cause now you got commitment, I should not expect things from you that you can give to me. Oh, but baby, can't you say I can say goodbye to you? No matter how I try, you're such a part of me. Without you, I would die deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can tell you goodbye. Neither of us planned that we would fall in love this way. But since we did, why should we be apart? Sometimes some things happen that can never be explained. Now it's too late for me. I've already given you my heart. I can say goodbye to you. No matter how I try, you're such a part of me. Without you, I will die deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can tell you goodbye. Hi, Mars, sweet ang bansa. Who knows when we choose the ones we love. Who knows why we do the things we do when we're in love. I know that you're a decent man and you try to do what's best. But how can I forget all the feelings we have shared? I can say goodbye to you. No matter how I try, you're such a part of me. Without you, I will die deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can tell you goodbye. I can tell you goodbye. Ayan eh, hey. At may nakakit na. Hi, Marge! Ikaw ba
Hello,
yun, Marge?
Tibe.
Yeah.
Dinig mo ako, Tibe.
Oo, dinig, loud and clear. Buti at nakakaakyat ka na.
Oo nga. May galap shoutout, everyone.
Bakit walang profile yung ano mo?
Ha?
Bakit walang profile pic? Ilagay mo yung ano mo, Marge, yung profile.
Nawawala-wala ang ano.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Marge, sa. Sige.
Welcome, Ate Babe. Nasaan na ba si host? Nangyari.
Ayos ba ni... Nandyan sa baba ko, tawang-tawa. Tiyan sa... Oo, mamtin.
Bumpin, sa klulo daw. Ay, sa klulo si host. Mamtin, halika na dito. Yan, magandang gabi sa lahat.
Alam mo ba, Marge, kinukutuban na talaga ako. Sabi ko, pag malaglag, pag aakyat ako, pag malaglag si host, ako na lang mag-isa sa taas.
Kanina, pagbukas ko sabi ko, bakit live ni Manny Milan? Bakit Ate Bids ang ano? Iniisip ko kung bakit ni Ate Bids? Kanta ni Ate Bids, tapos, bakit screen ni Ate Bids? Nagtataka ako. Naisip ko, sabi ko baka nalaglag si Rose.
Oo nga eh. Maging okay din yan kasi na ano lang yan. Kayo na bahala dyan. Ayusin mo yan dyan, Sir Milan. Ang pangit ng, alam mo ba, Sir Milan, ang pangit ng words na bahala. Ayan, ayusin mo yan. Don't give up. Maayos din yan.
Dyan.
Ayan.
Oo nga, ano nangyari? Tambakan ng CPR. Ma'am Tin, where are you?
Sa plulo, ma'am. Natawa talaga ako. Kami na dito.
Nung nakita ko, naisip ko, sabi ko baka nalaglag yun. Sabi ko, naisip ko na, ano kaya?
Mag-open cam ka, Marge. Kasi wala kang profile, Marge eh. Para maganda.
Mag-open ka din.
Ayaw.
Ayaw mo nga eh.
Alam mo, wala akong suklay. Basta,
At ikaw Ate Betsy, walang supply. Eh ako, walang ngipin. Kung wala kang suklay, mas okay pa yon kaysa sa walang ngipin.
winning sa klulo. Asaan kaya?
Awesome!
Maawa kaya si Ma'am Tintin sa atin dito.
Wala na, off